First, click Search, type Control Panel, and open it. Go to Network and Internet, then open Network and Sharing Center. Select Change Adapter Settings from the left side. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, choose Disable, wait a few seconds, then right-click it again and select Enable. Once it's enabled, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and check if the internet is working. If the problem continues, double-click your Wi-Fi adapter and click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. Make sure both obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically are selected. Click OK, then OK again, and test your connection. If you're still having the same issue, open Device Manager by searching for it from the Start menu. Expand Network Adapters, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the removal if prompted, then restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the required network driver during startup. If none of the previous fixes work, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then select Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down and click Network Reset, then choose Reset Now and confirm. Your PC will restart and restore all network settings to their default configuration. After the restart, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and see if the issue has been resolved. Hopefully, one of these solutions fixed the problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.